In this video, we'll be looking at how to add a tours and travel business to SokoGuide. And as you'll notice, SokoGuide is one of the easiest platforms to add a business. To do this, you need to make sure that you're logged in. If you're on your profile page, which we call the marketplace, you need to click the button labeled business at the top of the page. If you're using a mobile phone, click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and you'll find the business button there. If you're on any other page other than your profile page, you need to click on the add business button at the top of the page. This will bring you to the page where you will fill the details about your business. One thing you need to be very keen about is selecting the correct category of your business, because once you create your business, this category cannot be changed. After this, just click the create business button and you'll be taken to this other page. Fill in the fields provided, then click the save changes button. This will take you to the confirmation page, which means your application was successful. Once your business has been approved, you'll be sent an email to notify you. You can then click the business button if you're on your profile page, or the manage business button if you're on any other page, and you'll be taken to your business profile page from where you can add your tour packages.